Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate Assets 3. Strategies to build your marketing business. Your affiliate marketing business is just that, a business. To be successful, you need to treat your business like a business and focus on growth. Your affiliate links are your business, you are the owner of a marketing company, and it is an asset you can grow into more and more assets. Here are 3 strategies to build your marketing business. 1. Get your own website and domain name. It looks cheap and marks you as a newbie when you post a long affiliate link in your ads. With domain names as inexpensive as they are now, you can purchase your own domain name. You can then either forward your URL to your affiliate link or set yourself up with some free hosting and establish more of a web presence. Your best bet is to write a benefit-full description of your affiliate program and link to your program via an HTML link that is part of your description. 2. Build your own list. Stop relying on one-shot ads to make you money. Real businesses have repeat customers that they cultivate in order to make more profits. You must do the same. Make a commitment to establish relationships with your customers and especially with visitors to your site. Create an email list to keep in touch. Send out periodic tips or articles and focus on helping your customers. Only promote your affiliate links in unobtrusive ways, don't make your emails one big ad. One of the best ways to build traffic to your list is to write a short report that describes the benefits of your affiliate program. Make this report available only by email. When someone sends for your report, they are added to your list and you can continue to communicate with them. 3. Build traffic to your own site and list. This is where you really make your affiliate links your own business. By having your own site and building your own list, you are building your own business and brand, not just marketing someone else's. By doing this, you can market to your own customers over and over again. Do not overlook this point. When your ad redirects a customer to your affiliate link, you have lost that person as your own customer because you lost the ability to communicate with them on a repeat basis. When you direct customers to your own site and list, they build a relationship with you. There are many ways to build traffic: write articles, post in forums, market in safe lists, advertise offline, etc. My advice is to pick one traffic building method, work on it for a while, and master it before moving on to something else. If you focus on offline advertising, write and rewrite your ads until you determine how to get the best response. If you market on safe lists, make a list of the top 50, and send your ad to 10 each day. Keep testing to make sure your safe lists are responsive. These 3 strategies will help you build and grow your affiliate marketing business. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier/multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24by7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net